Those ladies over there are bird watching, and they hated my life. That's pretty funny. They're just looking at me like I'm a loud bastard. But look at this beautiful bike. Here we are in Fresh Meadows, next to Hooters. Never been here before in my life. I have no idea what any of this means. No clue what is going on. I guess I should have probably done a little research before just heading out to freaking Fresh Meadows. Whatever the hell that means. That's right. Sorry, my bike is so loud, lady. I know you don't approve. But these things has to happen. With any luck, we'll get to the velodrome and we'll get to the skate park and all that, and check it out. I just want to take a look. I'm not trying to be a cool, tough guy and do anything crazy there, you know, nothing illegal or wrong, but just have a nice little hoot, have a nice little holler. Hoot and holler. Hoot and holler. Long light, not even flashing. I bet that person thinks they're gonna get ahead of me. It's not gonna happen, buddy. It's not. It's my turn. But unless they have like some sort of staggered light system. But yeah, right now we're in Fresh Meadows, and welcome to another vloggy vlog, or maybe it's the continuation of the previous vlog, depending on whether I'm gonna make this vlog a freaking hour or not. But yeah, right now we are in search of Fresh Meadows. We're looking for that damn park, and it's elusive. I don't know if anybody has ever been to Fresh Meadows Park, or it's like some sort of a fake news. What do you guys think? Does it exist? My buddy Jay claims there's like the skate park, there's like these grassy hills, there's you know, all these things, and guess what? I don't know of any of them. I haven't seen any of them. So I'm gonna take a left on the street here. Beautiful. I'm probably going right by his house. It's quite possible. Oh man, the weather is incredible. I'm so happy with this fog. The fog is so good. The fog is gorgeous. I love fog. It's a beautiful Saturday. It's 7:45 by now, I'd imagine it's probably closer to 8 even. Yeah, nah? Who knows? Not many people know. Oh, here we go. Cunningham Park. I remember this. I do recall this area. It's a little golf course over here. Not bad. Look at that green grass. A dig. Nice. I'm excited that I'm exploring new territories. That Suburban is literally gonna try to pull out, I'm guessing. Maybe not. Good for you. Good for you, man. Oh, the air smells just nice and wet. If I didn't know any better, I think it's gonna rain. Here we go. Yep, Cunningham. You can get through over there, you can get through over here. Kissena Park. I have heard of it. Here we are. We are almost here. I thought this was called Cunningham Park, but I guess it's called Kissena Park. There's a little trail in there for the old bicycle. Little basketball courts. A dig. And then we got a turn over here. We'll take a look. You know what? I don't really see any cops, so I'm just gonna go. Let's take a look and see what's going on over here. I certainly have never come here before. This is 100% my first time. And look, there's some cops hanging out. This is really interesting. Did not expect. Why are cops being shady over there by that dumpster? So weird. Damn. Alright. I'm gonna take a look and see what it is going on here. Are we still recording? Yep, we're still recording. It's the quiet zone. So then why is there perfect room for a bicycle? I mean motorcycle. Let's take a look. Let's take a look and see. I don't know what's going on with these people. Are they watching for like birds or something? Maybe. They might be. Hello. Yep, they're definitely watching for birds. Oh snap. Look at this place. I really want to do a lap here, but I'd probably get in big trouble. Good Lord. I'm gonna get away from the talking ladies about the man who went to China. So here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, we are at the Kissena Velodrome. And I really want to take my motorcycle around here, but there's some cops hanging out right behind me. Ladies and gentlemen, we are at the Kissena Velodrome. Alright. Anywho, I don't know if I'll be able to do a lap here without getting arrested. Dude, I'd love to do a quick lap. I'd love to do a quick lap here. There's nobody here. Beautiful. Look at this. This is incredible. I can really fly my drone here. Big fan. I feel like those bird watcher ladies are not impressed with my intentions. But I guess we'll find out. I just spoke with those ladies and they are indeed bird watching, and this is just the most beautiful thing ever. And those cops are definitely not impressed with me driving around here, so it's not gonna happen. I gotta come here at like 6 in the morning. It's a damn shame.